Welcome to the frozen highlands, or somebody said to us, the Devil's Fridge. We got back on Wednesday the 6th after being stuck in Perth overnight the previous day. When we got into Canusi, it was an unbelievable sight. A real winter wonderland. We've had to close the hotel at the moment because the oil tankers can't get up to us properly, and so we're having to ration the oil by just living in one room at the moment to keep it warm. The JCB's been up here and it's cleared the snow, and you can see the mountains of it all around. A friend of mine helped me get up in the car because it was absolutely treacherous, but he let all my tyres down, so I got a better grip and everything, and managed to slither up here, and there it stayed ever since. So the big problem we face at the moment is icicles. One slipped off the roof the other day and gave poor old Paul a nasty bang on the head. So Myra's going around at the moment and she's going to start knocking the icicles down. Purely because if we leave them, it's quite likely they're going to rip all the old plastic gutters down with them. Let's go and see where she is. As you can see, we've had the plumber up here for a couple of days. He's had heaters in the roof spaces trying to defrost things and shut the water down. Very busy man indeed at the moment. So here's Myra knocking down the icicles. That's our bedroom window in the corner, and up until this morning it was like a curtain of ice. Oops, there's one of them that came down. But like I say, we're knocking them to try and save the gutters a bit. So they're coming down now. Trouble is, on the actual roof itself, it's probably absolutely thick, solid ice underneath that snow, where it has defrosted a bit and come down. So walking back round the front of the hotel, it'll give you a little bit of an idea of how deep the snow is. Little rabbit footprints in the snow, poor little things. But as you can see, sort of mountain of snow that's been scooped up here by the JCB. Otherwise we would never have even got on the car park. And we have had some more snow since. There's some more icicles for you to see, which are coming down in a minute. And the problem is, they're not just small icicles. We removed one from the back which was about 10 feet long, and you couldn't even get your hands around it, it was so thick. Nice little garden bench to sit on, looks all fluffy and cosy, doesn't it? Anyway, the sun's shining today, there's a little bit of a breeze got up, so we're praying and keeping our fingers crossed that at least the thaw may start to set in. Then we'll find out how many burst pipes we've got. Hopefully we'll get the hotel open again next week, and hopefully by the end of this week we'll have a oil tanker up here so we can have some oil and stay warm. Bye for now. This is the 9th of January, Highlands of Scotland, absolutely blooming freezing. Bye.